Endelig.
Hallo?
Hej, det er dejligt at være med. Jeg synes godt nok, det er sådan en klap her.
Vi skal have vores værelse. Vi skal have vores værelse. Hallo. Vi skal... Er vi på Mallorca eller hvad? Og så kan det ikke ord dansk.
Ej, hvor er det tyndt.
Kan du ikke dansk eller hvad sker der her?
No.
No.
Hvad?
We're from Denmark. We came here.
I have no room. I have no
room.
No.
You can't even speak Danish.
Sorry.
And then you have no room.
No.
But
Sorry.
Jeg har bestilt en enkeltværelse.
You too late. You too late.
Jeg har så bedt om at få, det klarer simpelthen ikke. Først den kørsel der, og så
relax. Relax.
Jeg hører engang, jeg siger det her, mand. Look there, she's pregnant.
Senor, okay, sorry. We must find out something. Yes. Maybe I can arrange the suite. Can you use the suite?
Yes.
Okay.
The suite is okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We like the suite.
You the suite? Yeah.
No. This is suite is
I didn't say you were sweet. I said this. Yeah.
The whole casa.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Here you have the key.
But no extra charge.
No, of course on the house because she's pregnant.
Thank you.
Okay. You're so sweet.
You're the sweet.
Bye bye.